Today I'll be giving an overview of email marketing and I'll show you some examples as well throughout the video. So email marketing defined. It's when an individual or a company uses emails to communicate with customers, prospects, or fans. The goal ultimately is to drive more sales of a product or service or to keep people engaged with your email list so that when you send them new content or something educational, people are going to click it, interact with it, share it, and essentially what you have is a list of people who are going to be interested in what you are actually sending out. Basically, any promotional, entertaining, educational, or informational email sent to somebody with business interests would be considered email marketing. So, one of the most important things I want to go over is if you do start an email list, you must make sure people are manually subscribing to your email list and confirming their subscription. You should never manually add email addresses to your list. So if you purchase a list of email addresses and just start cold emailing people, it's really not something that you're supposed to do legally. Now, why use email marketing? It allows you to engage with customers who have chosen to subscribe to your email list and have basically said, I'm interested in your content, I'm interested in your products, I'm interested in whatever it is that your business offers, send me more information periodically. Now, there are going to be people who unsubscribe over time. There's going to be people who may unsubscribe and resubscribe. But with an email list, it's a cost-effective way to reach a group of people who are your loyal subscribers. The reason why it works is because you can send messages directly to people's personal inboxes or their work inboxes, and that's where most people are checking that once per day. So, getting started with the basic process of email marketing. You create an email list, generally using an email marketing provider. I will go over some resources where you can find the best email marketing providers at the end of this video. There's different platforms for different types of businesses, so you basically want to find the one that's going to work best for you. You need to create an opt-in form, put it on your website, make sure people can easily subscribe to your email list. You can also opt in new customers, so if you're a Shopify website, you can put at the checkout process an option for people to say, okay, I want to continuously receive more emails from you, including discounts and maybe new products, anything like any interesting update that you have to send. Now, use an autoresponder. I'll go over what an autoresponder is in the next slide. But what you want to do when you have your email list is you want to make sure you're sending emails to your list in set intervals so that people are seeing your content and they're seeing it pretty frequently, but you don't want to do it too often because if you're sending too many emails, people are going to be way more likely to unsubscribe. And then over time, you want to measure results and improve. So are there people that are interacting with certain types of content? Are there people that aren't interacting with your content at all? How well are your open rates? How often are people actually clicking on the things in your emails? All of that can be measured with an email marketing provider. So an autoresponder is a tool that will automatically send a pre-written email or a series of emails in response to specific actions or triggers. The best way to put this is when somebody signs up for your email list, you can automatically put them into, let's just say, a 5 email marketing series that educates them about your brand, educates them about all the different types of products you sell, educates them about some of the services that you may offer, maybe gives them a free gift, offers a coupon code, trying to basically sell your products and services and educate people on your company. This can all be done with an autoresponder, and you can basically set it up so, okay, somebody signs up for my email list. I want to immediately send them this free thing that I promised them when they would sign up for my email list. In 3 days, I want to send them some type of educational email about my company. In a week later, I want to send them about all the different products that we sell. So an autoresponder can handle all of that, and basically you create emails once, and when people sign up, they're going to continuously see these emails until your email series ends. So that is what an autoresponder is. Very popular with email marketing platforms because they can also just be used to send people a free gift after they subscribe, some type of lead magnet. Now, to look at an email marketing process, a basic look at it, a user signs up for your email list and they get immediately added to your list. Then when you're sending emails, you can make sure that person is receiving your emails every single time you send it. So this is a basic look at the email marketing process. Obviously, there's a lot more steps involved, but this is just how it basically works. Now, getting email subscribers, you want to make sure you have sign-up forms on your website, an easy way for people to quickly give you their information and automatically get added to your email list. You can allow new customers to opt in when they purchase something from you. For example, a Shopify website. You can run contests, you can run giveaways. Those are all great ways to get more emails. lead magnets, essentially ebooks, it could be a white paper, it could be a video, some type of information or some type of gift that somebody is receiving after they sign up for your email list. It's one of the best ways to get email subscribers is to say, if you sign up for my email list, I will send you my 30-minute video about my marketing strategy in 2023 and how I'm driving leads to my business. So somebody says, well, I need more leads for my business. They sign up using that lead magnet. In-store signups, so not really the most common, but generally with small businesses, especially something, let's just say you own like a farmer's market or you have some type of stand like that, you can say, hey, if you want to sign up for our emails, we're going to send out an email every single time that we are going to be at this location, so you know several days beforehand so you can plan to see us here. Then what you want to do is ultimately getting email subscribers is all about creating great content, sharing that content to your list. That's how you keep your email subscribers. If you're creating really helpful content, people are going to be much more likely to actually stay signed up to your email list and be interested in what you're sending out to them. Different types of emails that you can send. So welcome emails, obviously when someone signs up to your list. Newsletter, basically just a periodic, once a week, once every other week. Here is the updates to our company. Here are some of the new content that we published in the last week or two. And here's something seasonal that's useful for you at this time of the year. Promotions and special offers, basically save 20% this week, whatever it may be. So some type of coupon code specific to people on your email list. Any new product announcements or any new business announcements. Abandoned cart emails. So if somebody adds something to their cart and doesn't check out and you have their email, you can say, hey, you left this in your cart. Did you want to finish your checkout process? Maybe give some people some type of incentive to finish the checkout process. Re-engagement email. So that's going to be somebody who hasn't interacted with any of the emails on your email list recently, and maybe you're trying to get them back involved with your company. Some people may have just stopped checking a certain email. So if people aren't interacting with your emails, you can always remove them from your list. Thank you emails. So that could be anything from thank you for your purchase or basically just thank you for being a loyal subscriber. I appreciate all your support over the years. And then you can also say, for your support, here is a free thing I came up with. Hopefully it's helpful. Order confirmation and tracking, pretty obvious one. So if people are purchasing from you, make sure that they know where their product is every step of the way until it gets to their doorstep. And then last but not least, expiring soon emails, basically emails that are saying, this is urgent, take advantage of this offer now because it's going to be gone by midnight. So expiring soon could be basically anything from your trial is expiring soon, your coupon code is expiring soon, your subscription is expiring soon, and you can use those to actually get people to re-sign up to whatever it is that you're offering. So to give you a quick example, let's just use the example of the video series Hot Ones. So if you're familiar with Hot Ones, celebrities go on, they eat hotter and hotter wings, and it is a video series that's incredibly popular. Now they are on firstsweetfeast.com. If you go to Hot Ones, they have their own newsletter. Hungry for more? Sign up for the First Sweet Feast newsletter. Be the first to know about new episodes and upcoming Hot Ones product launches. So to come back over here, give you this quick example, they launch a new hot sauce. They send it to their email list and say, here is our newest, whatever this hot sauce may be. You're going to have a list of loyal subscribers that are going to be ready to purchase from you. I worked with an artist once who had one of the most engaged email lists to when she would release new artwork and she would send it out to her subscribers. It was a list of about 10,000 people. She would drive so many sales immediately from people who were actually just following her and interested in the art that she had to offer. So sometimes this email list is really this hidden gold mine for certain brands where you have these really loyal fans who are interested in your products, interested in your content. So that's the whole point of email marketing. Now coming back over here, this is just one way that a company may get people to sign up. Enter your email. If you're hungry for more of our product launches, our new episodes, we will send those to you through email. To go over a couple different examples of lead magnets. So WordStream, if you go to wordstream.com and you're right on their homepage, they have stopped wasting money in Google Ads. Get an instant audit of your account with the free Google Ads Performance Grader. I am running Google Ads. I click on Get My Free Report. They are going to immediately ask me for my email address. So this is a lead magnet. It's basically you give us your email address and we will tell you how your Google ads are performing. So another one, optimizesmart.com, really good Google Analytics website. But you can see at the very bottom, get my step-by-step blueprint for finding the best KPIs, 32-page ebook. Download the free ebook. When I click this, they're going to ask me for my email and they're going to send it directly to my email. Another example of a lead magnet. Now, the last one I'm going to go over, I actually saw this one recently. So fastgrowingtrees.com. Now, at the very bottom left here, you can see extra savings. If I click on this, it's going to say enter your email address, get $10 off your first purchase, 75 minimum purchase required. So basically, if I know I'm going to purchase something, why not give them my email address before I purchase it? And then I can actually use this discount code and they're going to continuously send me marketing messages until I unsubscribe. So a few examples of how companies are able to collect email addresses. You may also just have a basic company where here's a sign up form, sign up for our newsletter if you're interested in our content. Next, I want to show you a few examples of some different types of marketing emails that you may receive, some that I actually received in my inbox, just quick little screenshots of emails. So Uber Eats, don't wait, take 40% off eligible orders now. Super offer, order $25 or more, and then they gave me a coupon code for 40% off. So basically just your standard promotion email, very common with any type of company that has some type of product for sale or who is offering a service where they can discount that product or service. Next, this is one that I sent out, ChatGPT Chrome extension. So basically just 8 awesome ChatGPT Chrome extensions. So you get people come in here, they're going to click, be interested in the video. Some people may open and say, no interest in watching this video right now. No interest in the article on Surfside PPC. Some people may come in here and unsubscribe. So just your standard newsletter type email. Basically, here is my new content. See if it's of interest to you. Next, Netflix. Corey, we just added a docuseries you might like. I did watch this already. So if they add a new TV show, a new movie, not only do they want people to watch some of these different movies and TV shows that they've invested a ton of money in, they also try to send out things to people for, here are things you may be interested in based on your viewing history. So they send me a docuseries I might like, and it's useful for me because I could say, okay, I'm interested in watching this. I'll add it to my list. Home Depot. So thanks for visiting. We noticed you left an item in your cart. This is an abandoned cart email. I added this product to my cart and I just never completed the checkout. Ended up going to the store to purchase it just in person. I didn't order it directly from their website, so I did end up purchasing this. But Home Depot saying, we noticed you left an item. Are you still interested in this item? Now coming back over here, I was going to sign up for Link Whisper, and I'm still going to sign up for Link Whisper. It's for internal links on my website, so I need something to help me speed up the process of internal linking for SEO, help me rank better in Google, so I'm going to use Link Whisper. When I was browsing their website the other day, they had a pop-up that said, get $10 off if you give us your email. So I entered my email because I might as well take the $10 off of Link Whisper before I sign up. And what they sent me was this email here. Snag your Link Whisper discount code inside. Thanks for checking out Link Whisper. I've included the $10 off coupon code below. And then they gave me an educational story about who they are, what Link Whisper is, basically giving me some information about the brand. Now, I didn't sign up for Link Whisper right away. I figured I'd sign up in a few days. They send me another one. So this is 2 days later. So this was 9 days ago. This is 7 days ago. And what you're going to see is we have an update with Link Whisper. I wanted to share this with you and provide you with a special coupon. If we keep scrolling down, they gave me a $15 off coupon. So by waiting, I actually end up getting $5 more off. You could see they're using ConvertKit for their emails. So this was 2 days later. And then finally, this was 1 day later. Your cart is about to expire. Just a heads up, your saved cart is about to expire. If you're ready to complete your purchase, simply click the button below or return to checkout. And then they send me some testimonials from their customers. So this is just one way to use email marketing to get people to actually purchase from you when you are interested in their product and show some level of interest in their product. Now to finish off this video, what I did was I put together a couple different resources you can use for email marketing software. First is PC Mag. As I'm browsing it, they have this pop up. Enter your email to unlock the free guide to the best tech brands, early access to deals, expertly curated deals, and the free tech deals newsletter. Email address, sign me up. I'm not going to do that right now, but you can see here the best email marketing software for 2023. They've gone over a bunch of different options. And then the other one here is Influencer Marketing Hub, 31 best email marketing software platforms for 2023. I will put both of these links in the video description if you want to do your own research. I'm not going to tell you exactly what to use. I currently use MailChimp for my email marketing, but I'm actually thinking about switching from MailChimp. So we'll see if I go with another platform. If I do and I like it, I'll make a video about it. But for now, hopefully this gives you an overview of email marketing and basically different types of emails that you can send to people, how you can actually send new products to your email list to help you drive new sales, and the ultimate goal of email marketing, which is let's get a huge audience on our list so that we can send them whatever announcement or content or promotion or whatever it may be, because it's going to help us drive more business. So if you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.